All right, it's day 2, Land Between the Lakes through hike. We are on a forest road or some sort of gravel road that we did about a half mile off to the shelter. And we're headed south. We've got about 25 miles to Golden Pond, which is the midway point. We've made it to letter B, and we'll keep heading south, and I'll bring you in if there's something of value or note. All right, we're in the C to D section. We just had a turn in front of this large field you can see here, and there is no sign that says to turn. So we're assuming that we're on the right direction. But anyway, A through C, you head by the lake for a good bit of time, but once you get into between B and C, you're heading into the woods. And most of your trail is now into the woods, so you're away from the lakes on the western side. All right. So I haven't been able to film much today. It's been raining on and off. It's beautiful watching all the leaves come down off the trees, and just kind of been to myself. We haven't seen a soul on this through hike so far. I guess it's because of the weather. And so your thoughts kind of move as you're through the woods, thinking about different things. I like to listen to songs. So I thought about my favorite rock song of all time, and that is Cuts Like a Knife by BRYAN Adams. It's got all the great parts of a rock song. It's got a great introduction, a great hook, a great lyrical hook and musical hook. It's got all the na-na-na-nas in it, which is a great 80s catchphrase. And then it's got a great guitar solo. Oh, a leaf just hit the camera. To me, that's a good rock song. Oh well, just random thoughts as I walk through the woods. All right, it's the end of day 2 recap. We are about 12 miles from Golden Pond. We went in and out of the woods close to the lakes, and just did about probably 13.25 miles. We hope to get to Golden Pond sometime before they close tomorrow to get our food and continue on south by the end of the day. Sorry, that's my socks hanging up drying. So that's the end of day number 2. We are at in between E and F, I think is where we are. I'll talk to you tomorrow.